Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are talking about how to make a text reflection effect intro in InShot. Okay. In first step, create a text video and save it. Okay. From here, select blank and set the duration. Now add text and add some animation. Okay. Adjust adjust the size. Okay. So our first step is completed. Now save the video. Now go to your draft. Okay. Click on PIP picture in picture and import the text video which you have exported. Okay. Now click on flip. Okay. And rotate this and then adjust the size. After that, click on mask and add linear mask. Okay. Rotate this and adjust this mask. Okay. Click OK. As you can see, so here is our final video. After that, click on save to export this video. This is the easiest way I know how to make a text reflection effect intro in InShot. If you know any other better way, please write down in comment section below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I will be back with more informative videos.